What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I don't know if anyone of you have seen, a few of you have. I had a 3DS. I got a new 3DS video with the eShop closing, and I did grab a few physical DS games. So that's what we have in this box here today. As you can see from the title, it is going to be Chrono Trigger. So Chrono Trigger is one of those games that you'll hear about from a lot of old school gamers all the time, and I was going to buy it just because I've been getting into JRPGs more recently, and I was just checking the price on these things, and an unopened, like sealed SNES version is going for like over $300. A few of these for DS, which it's really weird why this came out on the DS, but these were going for anywhere from like 150, 160 to like 180, 190. So I was lucky enough to actually search on Reddit, which I've never done before, and ended up finding a copy of Chrono Trigger on the DS, complete in box, for $100 flat. So $100 shipped. He sent it straight here, and like I said, I've never played it, I've never watched any video of it, but this is like the quintessential JRPG of all time. Like everybody references this is pretty much like the grandfather of JRPGs. So we're gonna look at it. I'll pop it in the DS for a little bit, but we could just look at it. So you see that art style right there, Chrono Trigger, and if you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z, you will notice this art style. So if you look at the artist, how he drew these characters, yes, it is Akira Toriyama. So he's done a lot of work with some of the older JRPGs, Dragon Quest, stuff like that. So, we take a look at the back. You have the RPG of the Ages returns. So it says, when a newly developed teleportation device malfunctions, young Chrono, which, Chrono deals with time, so obviously, must journey through time to rescue a mysterious girl from an intricate web of past and present perils, enhanced with dual screen presentation, stylus controls, and a host of great new features. The classic tale transcends time once again. And then, so there you go, main characters back there, and like I said, you could tell Toriyama. Look at his hair, like just the style. It's literally like undeniable. Published by Square Enix, and yeah, rated E10. So let's open it. So people were paying more for complete inbox, and what that consists of is, of course, the game. So you can take that out. So I have it right there, Chrono Trigger. Really clean, like looks like it was barely played. Put that right back in there. And then, so any kids watching this, this is called a game manual. So all games used to come with these. And let's see if it has color in it. Oh, it is a colored one. So you have your, how to use a touch screen, table of contents, probably tells you about the story a little bit. And like, they just don't do this anymore. Like, look at this, like characters, a little about them. I used to read the Sonic Adventure manual like all the time. So you get a look at all the characters and everything. Pretty cool. Controls, standard manual stuff. So pretty cool. That's one thing. You got the DS, like health and safety. It's funny, I wonder why like they don't do this specifically anymore, considering this must have been like with like a lawsuit or something. Like I feel like they were putting this in everything because of legal reasons, but they just stopped. So I don't know. And then this is probably the most important thing that a lot of people don't include, to have the complete inbox. Like when I was searching listings, it would always say like no poster, missing poster. So you can see right here, I don't know if the camera will pick up the whole thing. So you have the full poster, which is literally just like recreation of the cover art. So pretty cool. I'll definitely hold on to this and leave it in the box. And then the last thing is this. So this comes from Square Enix. It is I'm not sure what these are. I used to see them all the time. Oh, okay. So I guess they used to do a monthly drawing for free games or something, so you could register with this. So I'll just keep this in here. Yeah, let's pop this in the DS and, you know, test it out. I won't play too much, but let's just see how it's working. So here we have Chrono Trigger inserted, so let's test it out. Square Enix. I won't do a new game. Let's just load the game that's on here. Okay. Okay. So it is that, you know, SNES style of graphics. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do, but looks like it's working properly. That's all I really care for. Music sounds good. Go to the Arena of the Ages. Sure. You see, you got that map on the bottom. That's what made the DS so, like, convenient. Just having that map on the bottom screen, so you don't have to keep opening it. Wonder if this is the end of the game. Train monster. Let's release this guy. Sure. So, yeah, I mean, looks like it plays well. I'm definitely gonna play this. Like, I've wanted to play Chrono Trigger. I keep hearing about it. Like I said, I paid 100 flat, which is the most I've paid for a video game ever. You know, but I think it'll always retain its value. Like, I can always get my money back on it, or maybe make like 50 bucks, 100 bucks later down the line. Like I said, a unopened version of the SNES original is still like $300, but that's pretty much the cap on that, you know. But, you know, with physical media going away pretty soon, especially, you know, the DS and 3DS becoming less, you know, available and whatnot, I think the price will probably go up. So I'm just going to keep all the stuff complete in box like I had, but I'm definitely going to play it and try and beat it at some point. So that's it for that unboxing. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.